All right, welcome back, everybody. Beautiful day here throughout the state. 79 degrees in Great Falls. Also beautiful conditions. An area of cloud in the sky, and the temperatures also into the 70s. Across the entire state, we're looking at really similar conditions. A little warmer the farther west you go. 83 in Missoula, about 69 into Lewistown. So a little cooler the farther east you go, but not too many complaints for a change in the weather inbox here at the station. So looking at the radar, and we've got not much going on here. The little green around Glasgow and Billings, just a little radar sensitivity. The National Weather Service out of Glasgow and Billings has it turned up a little high here. So you're actually looking at the air currents going through around the radar. Sometimes radar can be that specific here in what it's returning. So sometimes the air can return the radar back to the station. So that's what we're looking at here. Big picture, and we've got a couple of storms southwest and a few storms in the eastern part of the country. But it's out of the country where we've got something to follow. Taking a look at the tropical satellite, perhaps you've heard or seen, we've got Tropical Storm Dorian. Now, Dorian is all the way down here around St. Lucia and Barbados, over through the St. Martin as well here. So southeast of Puerto Rico here, you can see where Dorian is. It's not very strong, not very well organized. We can go even further in here on the satellite, and there you can see that it's kind of spread out a little bit. Notice the darker whites and reds, not as pronounced cloud cover here. So storm a little haggard looking here, so to speak, but about 50-mile-per-hour winds. Now, where is this going to go? It is forecasted to go right near Puerto Rico tomorrow. Winds may be up to 65 miles per hour. That's something they can handle here, but of course Puerto Rico is still reeling from a few years ago from a hurricane that blew over that island there. But the island of Hispaniola, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic just getting glanced here, northeast side of that, and then up into the Bahamas. I'd like to be like Dorian and head over there. It's not Tropical Storm Barry, it's Dorian here, but heading a little further towards the northwest as we get into the weekend. There could be landfall, tropical storm, almost a hurricane, 70-mile-per-hour winds right there, the east side of Florida. So watch out if you're spending Labor Day weekend there. I've got grandparents down in Naples. I think I'll be getting a few phone calls here over the weekend. Here's a look at Montana, though. And speaking of the weekend, this computer model doesn't take us all the way into that, but it does show that the rest of tonight, sky is generally clear. Overnight tonight into tomorrow, another cool night. Lows generally in the 40s, not so much into the 30s. Getting into Wednesday afternoon, looking really nice here with mostly sunny skies, but the temperatures will go up and the wind will also increase, so the fire danger goes up. Please be careful tomorrow. We have a little wind shift also in the afternoon and the evening. The wind's coming in from the north behind a generally dry cold front going through. Wednesday night into Thursday, clouds increase here just a bit, and we may have a few showers and thunderstorms around the capital up as far north as Great Falls by the time we get into Thursday. But into Friday, better chance of a few more showers and thunderstorms up in the northern part of the state here. So we'll have to be watching for that Thursday and Friday, but we get the storms out of the way in time for the weekend. Lows tonight, let's move across here into north central Montana, 40s to about 50 degrees. So comfortable, cool, great sleeping weather last night. Tonight will be very similar. And here's the forecast for Wednesday. Here comes a cold front late, and that will drop the temperatures down, create a wind shift. But look at the warmth here tomorrow into the 80s. Thursday, we'll have a few thunderstorms in the southwestern part of the state. Highs in the 70s going into Friday. Again, a couple of scattered thunderstorms moving through the state, 70s to about 80 degrees. Some wet weather will be nice. Into Saturday, though, this will be nice, getting rid of the wet weather here with high pressure moving in and the temperatures going up. Now, mountain forecast here, there will be very nice conditions in the mountains all over the state really this weekend. 6,000 feet, you see the temperatures in the 80s, 8,000 feet, we're in the low 70s. Wind, not even that much of an issue. 10,000 feet on Sunday, 20-mile-per-hour winds. Here is the 7-day forecast, and tomorrow, warmer day. We'll have highs up to about 88. A couple of showers and thunderstorms around the capital throughout the day on Thursday. But how about that weekend looking really nice and warm? Temperatures in the 80s, even the lower 90s. And we were discussing this in the commercial break because we do that sometimes. The nights will be getting cool as well. So yeah, the days will be pretty hot here, above average temperatures, but the nights refreshing through the weekend.
Excellent to hear. Thanks for that, Kurt.